All right, welcome back to Crypto Authority TV. Wow, this is your authentic, channel. We'll be getting information about cryptocurrency, the airdrop, mining, and the rest of the types of coin to buy. This is that channel that you have been looking for. So if you're a new person to this channel, I would advise you to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. We always bring authentic information, as far as the crypto industry is concerned. So let's move, okay? I have three powerful coin for the year 2025 bull run. Are you getting it? Yes. If you have been in crypto space and you're not able to cash out like $200, $500, $1,000, I think this is the best time for you to key into this opportunity. This is a golden opportunity. I'm bringing it to you guys now. Don't joke with it. I remain your crypto authority. Yes. So number one in my list is Bonk. BONK. Okay, it's a Solana project on Solana blockchain or network. Are you getting it? So Bonk is one of the tokens or coins that is going to massively do well in 2025 bull markets. So if you have not gotten Bonk in your wallet, you can buy it in so many centralized exchanges like your Gate, your Bybit, your KuCoin exchange, and the rest of this. Just check them out on all these exchanges. Even the ones I've not mentioned, you can still see Bonk there to buy. Okay, so it's a very strong project that has a lot of utilities and has a lot of sponsors. These are the things we look out for before investing our money in any crypto project. Are you getting it? Good. All right. The second in my list is ICE. 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 ICE is a very big project. 2020, I think 2023, if I'm not mistaken, 2023 April, ICE got listed on that very day, April. And a lot of persons make money from ICE project, ICE airdrop, okay, which I am one of them. I did the ICE airdrop. We mine it, do the KYC, did everything, the quiz, got everything, all the criteria correct. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, ICE airdrop then gave me almost $200 and something. Yes, you heard me well. Good. So ICE is one of the coins that are going to blow well in this bull run 2025. And some of you will be like, we have been hearing about bull run, we have been hearing about bull run. When is the bull run coming? The bull run is already seated. The bull run is already here with us. But it's not about the bull run. It's all about how prepared have you positioned yourself for the bull run that we are into. Because some of us, we have not been able to secure, or we have not been able to buy potential tokens that can be able to print dollars to us. Yes. Some of us are still sitting on the fence watching. Is the bull run going to be authentic? Is it going to be real? It's already happening. The bull run has started since. In case I've not been able to cash out yet, my question is, what kind of tokens or coins are you accumulating? Yes. Don't mind this, my eyeglass. This is a senior people eyeglass. Oh, okay. What kind of tokens are you holding in your wallet? That is the most important aspect of it. It's not about you buy this one, you buy this one. Some of the influencers will tell you buy this one, buy that one. In all this your buy, I would advise you to always carry out your fundamental analysis before investing in any project of your choice. Are you getting it? Yes, it's very important. So ICE network, okay, ICE project is built on ICE network, and it has a lot of sponsors, backers that are backing this project up. It has good fundamentals. Are you getting it? So the ICE coin is not a coin to look down on. I would advise you, though it's not a financial advice, do your diligent research. Are you getting before investing your money in any project of your choice? But it's one of the projects for the bull run. ICE project is one of the projects for the bull market. Number one in my list, which I've said before now, is Bonk. Number two now is ICE. I'm done with it. Let's move to number three. In case you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. comment, like, and share to support the baby girl. Good. The third in my list is WKC. It's a utility token, Wikicats. The ticker is WKC. It's built on Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Binance Smart Chain network, I call it blockchain. Yes. This token, from my personal analysis, okay, from my personal analysis, is going to do great. It's going to make a lot of persons millionaires in 2025. I don't bring any update to this channel. That's why I am known as Crypto Authority. We know the tokens or coins that are going to cook as long as the 2025 bull run is concerned. Many of you will thank me if you can take my instruction. Come to thank me later. Just 3 projects I've just mentioned. If you can hold it with me, let's hold it together for some months, and you come to me to appreciate me and you'll be like, Crypto Authority, thank God I listened to you. WKC will make a lot of persons, it's going to make a lot of persons millionaires from my own personal prediction. It's a utility token. They have a wallet known as Penny Wallet. If you go to your Apple Store, Play Store, you can be able to download your Penny Wallet. Use it to store other tokens, other coins like BTC, even the WKC itself and the rest of it. Okay, so that is it. There is three projects now. If you're holding it this year 2025, many of you will believe that yes, I'm not an influencer yet, but I bring authentic information, verified information to my channel, because I know millions are watching me out there. People are watching from different parts of the world, and I would like my audience, my fans, my viewers to make money as long as this 2025 is concerned. The bull run has come. It has started already, but some of us have not been able to make money out of the bull run because of the type of coins I've been buying. But after this video, if you can watch this video from the beginning to the end, you'll be able to get these 3 coins. Go and buy it. Though it's not a financial advice, as I said. Go and get it. It's not a financial advice. So hold it. Let's hold it together to the end of this year and see what comes out of it. I will be your Crypto Authority once again. Don't fail to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you guys. See you next.